Hey, welcome to the Daily Dig with Debbie. Yesterday, I showed you how to make chocolate sauce. Today, we're going to make caramel or caramel, however you say it. How do you say it? We need 1 cup of sugar. I use the organic cane sugar. And this is a 1/4 cup of water. I'm supposed to warm it over a medium heat, and we're going to cook it until the sugar dissolves. It's just now really coming to the medium heat, and I'm supposed to look at it. It's going to become clear to cloudy, and I want to make sure all of the sugar dissolves. And once it starts bubbling, I'm not to stir it again. I don't know if you could see, there is like a cloudiness into it. I don't think the sugar has dissolved, but now that it's boiling, I'm going to stop. And what I'm looking for is it's going to thicken and turn a deep honey color. Sometimes do you feel like you're just watching a pot? That kind of looks like a honey color, doesn't it? Oh, I can definitely see that it's clear now. Now I'm going to be adding 6 tablespoons. You're supposed to use unsalted butter. You carefully add it. I'm putting in 1 tablespoon at a time. I am now to remove it from the heat, and I add a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Can you see that color? A teaspoon of honey, or I'm sorry, vanilla. And a pinch of kosher salt. This one kind of has a yellow color to it. And maybe I needed to let it, because it said 8 to 15 minutes. Oh, that's got a wonderful flavor. Oh, that isn't as dark, so I'm going to try this again, and we'll see what happens that way. Okay, second try. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop with the boiling. I don't think I let it go this long in my last one. So this is already darker than that one I made previously, so I don't think I let this boil enough to get it that dark color. There is the darkness that they were looking for. So now we're going to add our butter. Huge difference. Pour in the heavy whipping cream. Ooh. Add some vanilla. It says a teaspoon. And a pinch of salt. Now watch the difference in these two. We'll see which one the family likes. It's the next day and these have both had a chance to cool. I want to show you. This, notice how it's like a whipped caramel. It's got that buttery, silky taste. This, on the other hand, is almost like the candy. And it's got a smoky, I don't want to say burn taste, but just that roasted taste. Oh, they're both good. This one, I thought I made a mistake. This one, I did it for the little longer minutes. You've got to try to do both of these. They're both delicious. Have yourself an awesome day.